Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. We'll be looking at features like cooking functions, capacity, fat removal technology, and more. So sit tight and let's get started. And don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro is priced at $99, while the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven comes at a slightly lower price of $53. If you're on a tight budget, the Gourmia Air Fryer is a great option, but if you're willing to spend a little more, the COSORI Air Fryer is definitely worth the investment. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro boasts 9 one-touch cooking functions on a tempered glass display, making it super easy to use. On the other hand, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has 12 one-touch digital presets that cater to a wide range of cooking needs. So if you're looking for more versatility, Gourmia might be the choice for you. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro has a 5-quarts cooking capacity, making it suitable for 1 to 4 people. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a larger capacity and can accommodate more food at once, making it ideal for large families or gatherings. Both air fryers come with fat removal technology that removes fat while cooking. However, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro claims to remove up to 85% of oil, which is a higher percentage than the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Both air fryers are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up after cooking a breeze. However, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven claims to be quicker and easier to clean, as its accessories can go straight into the dishwasher for cleaning, while COSORI Air Fryer Pro might require some additional effort. And that's a wrap. We hope this comparison helped you in choosing the air fryer that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.